Hello guys, today we are checking out the Sigri-wala Stainless Steel 2-burner gas stove, priced at around just Rs 700. Is this one of the best budget 2-burner gas stoves? Let's take a look at its design and overall build quality. Stay tuned till the end of the video where we will reveal our final rating for this gas stove. Final rating. At this price point, the Sigri-wala Stainless Steel 2-burner gas stove offers a good balance of affordability and functionality. It's a practical choice for small families, bachelors or anyone looking for a budget gas stove. Our final rating is 7 on 10. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching.